बैठिए, एक मिनट बैठिए आप, एक मिनट बैठिए आप। मैं कभी सदन में किसी मान्य विषय को, माननीय सदस्य चाहे किसी भी दल का हो, कभी भी मैंने आपत्ति नहीं करता, लेकिन मेरा सदन के सभी सदस्यों से आग्रह है, सब माननीय सदस्य चाहे एक भी दल का सदस्य वह भी सम्मानीय है। हमारी भाषा संयमित होनी चाहिए, मर्यादित होनी चाहिए, आचरणपूर्ण होनी चाहिए।
Speaker sir, there is a central confusion, and I have to put this right. There is a central fundamental confusion in the minds of the BJP and its leadership. And the confusion is that they think they are the people of India. You are not the people of India. The people of India are something else. They also think that they are the armed forces. You are not the armed forces. The armed forces are something else. You are a political organization. You are not India and you are not the armed forces of India. We are not attacking the people of India. We are not attacking the armed forces of India. We are attacking you. Do not hide behind the people of India or behind the armed forces. So stop hiding like cowards behind the armed forces and behind the people. Come out and talk to us and have a discussion with us. Now, going back to my speech, Speaker sir. As I said, the magician has been caught.
Please, no. मैं ऐसे शब्दों का उपयोग इस सदन में नहीं करने दूंगा, चाहे सत्ता पक्ष सहमत हो। वो नहीं बोल रहे सत्ता पक्ष वाले, पर मैं उपयोग नहीं करने दूंगा। ठीक है, आप अगर नहीं मानते हैं तो मैं ऐसे शब्दों का उपयोग, ऐसी भाषा का अलाउ नहीं करूंगा। नो, आप दादा कैसी भाषा का उपयोग करना चाहते हैं यहाँ पर? आप कौन सी भाषा का उपयोग करना चाहते हैं? ये दुनिया की सबसे बड़ी संसद है, सर्वोच्च संस्था है, इसकी भाषा संयमित होना ही चाहिए ना। आप बोलिए, अगर आप
मैं बोलता हूँ
आप
मैं बोलता हूँ,
विषय पे बोलेंगे
म्यूजिशियन नहीं
तो मैं
बोलूंगा,
आपको अलाउ करूंगा।
सर मैजिशियन नहीं बोलूंगा।
आप विषय पे बोलेंगे तो मैं अलाउ करूंगा।
मैं जादूगर नहीं बोलूंगा सर।
आप विषय पे,
सर जादूगर शब्द नहीं यूज करूंगा। सर the individual in my story, sir, what happened was, the last session of Parliament completely destroyed the structure, because a deal was signed with the United States that under no circumstances would have been signed by any prime minister of this country unless he was compromised.
ये दिए
So, क्या सर?
ये विधेयक का विषय है क्या?
What he told Kumaraswamy?
नो, अगर मैं सीट पे बैठा हूं तो कुमार स्वामी जी हो या कोई भी हो, मैं विधेयक के पास बोलने दें। नो, मैं सीट पे बैठूंगा तो विधेयक पर ही बात होगी। हाँ, विधेयक पर ही बात होगी। हाँ, मैं जब आसन पे हूं तो विधेयक पर ही चर्चा होगी। विधेयक के विषय पर आप बोले, मैंने रोका नहीं। विधेयक के विषय पे मैंने कभी नहीं टोका न रोका। विषय पे मैंने कभी नहीं रोका। आपको रोका गया, किसी को रोका के विषय पर? नो, सब पे अलाउ है, लेकिन उस बिल के संदर्भ में ही।
सर तो मैं एक सवाल पूछना चाहता हूँ। आप एक
सवाल नहीं पूछ सकते।
नहीं, क्योंकि मैं आप इंस्ट्रक्शन चाहता हूँ।
हाँ, इंस्ट्रक्शन में
तो आपका कहना है कि मुझे यूएस डील पे कुछ नहीं बोलना?
बिल्कुल, महिला विधेयक पे बोलना।
ठीक है सर, ठीक है, मैं नहीं बोलूंगा सर। सर, so what happened was very obvious to everybody. Now what you're attempting is taking away the constitutional right and snatching that from the people of India. We are not going to allow you. You will see, we will defeat this bill right here in the next, whatever, half an hour, 45 minutes. Now, I want to conclude with an idea. And I want to give you a sense, because you have to understand something. I know more than I'm saying. You have to understand that I know much more than I'm saying in this house. So I'm going to give you and everybody else a nice puzzle. And the people of India can try and see if they can solve this puzzle. Yesterday I was watching the Prime Minister speak. Low energy, broken, nothing transmitting. And I suddenly noticed that yesterday was the 16th of April. No, listen please, I was sitting here and he was talking and he was not able to engage. He was not able to engage because clearly trying to pass this bill was a mistake, because everybody knew there wasn't going to pass. Panic reaction, as I said. So I was watching him and I noticed on my phone 16th of April. And I was like, my God, how crazy. That's the number. 16. This 16 number. This is the number. The whole answer to the riddle is in the number 16. Everything is in the number 16. Now, if anybody understands what I'm saying, please send me a message. And on Twitter, you can tell what it is. But the answer to your problems, and you're going to find out very soon, is in the number 16. Thank you, sir.